Welcome back to the Gourmet Gambit. Today's recipe, shrimp and hake tagliatelles in tomato caviar. I'm Wes, let's get started. For the tomato caviar, you can use the ones they sell in the shops, but you can also make it yourself very easily. All you need is some sun-dried tomatoes. Use the ones who are all marinated or the ones in olive oil. There's still a little bit moisture, so they're much more easier to process. If you get the really dry ones, just put them in lukewarm water for half an hour. Walnuts, grated parmesan and olive oil. Just use your food processor, kitchen robot or blender to make a nice paste out of this. And I can assure you, you're going to have a very nice tomato caviar. Chop one little shallot. Garlic, chop a little bit of parsley for your plating. You can use fresh hake fillets, or you can use a frozen one. A little pinch of salt. Just stir them in the wheat flour or cornstarch if you like. We're going to slice a few of our sun-dried tomatoes into nice little strips like this. Then we're going to do the same for our anchovy fillets. The shrimps. Once you've peeled all your shrimps, give them a quick rinse on the cold water. Pour some olive oil in your frying pan. Medium heat. And we're going to sear the hake. Once they're nicely fried, deglaze with a little bit of balsamic vinegar. And you see the vinegar has just crusted underneath the fish. Put some oil in your frying pan, medium heat again. Add the shallots and the garlic. Once they're translucent, kill the heat and preserve. A little bit of sea salt and heat up the water to the boiling point for our tagliatelles. Our fresh tagliatelles just need a few minutes to cook. Warm up the shallots on low heat. Pour a little bit of our pasta water. Put the tagliatelles in. A good tablespoon of our tomato caviar, a few slices of dried tomatoes, anchovy fillets, a few walnuts, our shrimps. Give this a little bit of a mix. Just needs to warm up. A marvelous recipe for seafood lovers. If you want to stay updated on my recipes, please subscribe and hit that bell. And all that's left to say, my dear gourmet friends, bon appetit and see you back soon.